Okay, so we got the DJI mic right here. It's just there, and we have the receiver on top of this 80D camera. What we're gonna do is that we're gonna transition and put it on our iPhone. So very simple. Obviously, we're gonna open this up and we're gonna get the iPhone attachment. It looks just like this, and obviously we're gonna go ahead and get the receiver from the camera. And here it is, guys. So I have the receiver connected here to the cell phone, and I have my transmitter right here. Obviously, if you have a case, it may not work. I had to take off my case. It was pretty big and it wouldn't reach. But if you have a regular case, most likely it's gonna work, that is not that thick. But again, you have your microphone right here attached easily. I was able to transition from my camera, my 80D, to my cell phone, and again, the receiver's right there. The cool thing about this is that I could see the levels. So as I'm speaking, I could see my levels kind of going up and down, making sure that I'm not peaking or anything like that. Okay, so I just removed the receiver right here, and I just did it so you can see the difference in audio. So this is the audio coming up straight out from the iPhone. This is what you can expect. I'm outside, there's birds, there's everything. And now let's plug it in. And there's the audio that is coming in from the DJI mic. Again, this is an audio test with the DJI mic and my iPhone 11 Pro Max.